We was over there, you know what I'm saying? What you call that shit? The promenade.
Yeah, the promenade.
Okay.
You got another call?
We got another
Hey,
call.
man, that shit ring.
Right in the Sass Show.
Yeah?
Hung up? No? Yes, call up one of
All
them.
right, no call. All right, well,
Alright, but basically we had fun shooting it, you know what I'm saying? I just try to get the niggas that I was bidding with that's serious about the music, you know what I'm saying? We exchange numbers and shit like that, info and shit like that, and if niggas serious, we get up in the town. So far niggas been keeping their word and shit.
Yeah, that's definitely, man. So yeah, if y'all don't know, the homie Fells, me and Fells got a joint that we putting together right now.
Okay.
It's gonna be crazy. I'm dropping it on my mixtape, The Nice Age. It's coming out June 15th. Yeah, it's gonna be something serious. And just I was like, yo, I was listening to the joint and I said, yo, Fells, I ain't got Fells on nothing. I said, yo, I hit the nigga up. Yo, son, put a 16 on this. Nigga hit me up, said, yo, shit done. I'm like, alright, nigga. I ain't even do my shit yet. I'm like, alright, now I gotta get on my shit.
Yeah, once I got the joint, you know what I'm saying? I looked at it, searched it up on YouTube.
Yeah, cause that's why I was like, yeah, just search it up real quick.
I did that
Just
shit,
to
and
get
once
me
I
out
heard
the
the
first
beat,
gun.
I'm like, oh, I didn't know this was a pun beat.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
yeah.
alright, bet.
That was the first one.
Oh,
So
that's
you ain't a killer.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on that joint.
yeah. My man Rad gonna touch on that
We
too.
gonna go crazy.
Yo, I went ape shit on that shit.
Yeah, I can just imagine. I'm like, yo, I know my son said verse done. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. I'm like, yeah, that's definitely what's up. So y'all gotta check out for that, man. We gonna shoot a video for that too.
Let's do it.
We gonna do it.
No, I got it.
Because Fellas told me that. Fellas like, yo, son, if we ever do a record, don't worry about it, nigga. We'll film the video. Don't worry about it.
And my son, he do good work.
Yeah. Video was dope.
Shout out to Demetrius.
Yeah, shout out to him.
City
man, for real.
Line Films and shit like that.
Yeah, City Line
we
Films.
gonna shoot a video.
City Line Films.
City Line Films, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
all you do is looking to get a video together, look up City Line Films, and you know, he can probably work with y'all. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You got a caller. Rat in the Sass Show, what it is, caller.
Alright.
Yo, that's what's up.
Who we talking to?
Yo, Sketch. Stand
Shout out to
firm.
BX.
You already know. You know what I'm saying? That's my bro right there, Sketch. You know what I'm saying? The visionary, you know what I'm saying? Stand Firm Entertainment. You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
Be that, you heard?
Early, all day.
So yeah, you got any extra shout outs real quick? Yes sir.
You already
Support
bro.
the movement, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, you already know. Struggle, Hustle, and Pain is on that pip. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely, man. Thanks for calling us up, fam. Thanks for the support.
Salute.
So what's our mixtape again?
Struggle, Hustle, and Pain.
Struggle,
that shit
Hustle,
in
and Pain.
And cranes. What are cranes, nigga? What's a construction worker, nigga? What, nigga? So niggas know, nigga. We got our work in, nigga. What you talking
Struggle,
about?
Hustle, and Pain.
Yes, sir.
You know?
So would you got anything else coming down, like coming up soon, or any shows and shit like that?
Yeah, with AB the General, you know what I'm saying? Chelsea Hotel coming up on.
Miami. Woo, we gonna fuck Miami.
Talk about Miami.
I like how you worded that, nigga. I don't know if I can listen to like,
Wait,
what?
Yo, my family out
For
there
sure,
in Miami,
27,
just
28.
keep in mind that June 15th,
Okay.
Saz, Breeze, and Young Fellas is gonna be coming out there.
27th,
The
nigga.
27th.
The 15th is the album, the
27th.
mixtape
My
drops.
fault. That's the mixtape. The 27th, June 27th. Fam is coming out there. Dice, you know, Mello,
Yeah.
you know, Veronica, all y'all. Show these niggas a good time, man, when they get out there, especially Dice, nigga, my boy.
No,
Yeah,
we definitely, we going down there. We got peoples down there already.
Okay.
So we going down there to do the show up, but we gonna fuck up the rest of the town.
Let's get it.
You know what I'm
Let's
saying?
get
So definitely, you know, they gonna be in the city, in Miami, doing it on the 27th.
Yeah, that's definitely
Chelsea
a big thing.
Hotel, right? It's like a 2-night event or something like that?
Yeah, it's supposed
Yes.
to be like a meet and greet or something first with like industry heads. We'll probably get a chance to sit down with the guy from the guy who owns Starter Magazine. He's supposed to be there. Some other people supposed to be there too. You know what I'm saying? So it's
all
hush
y'all,
hush.
so all y'all people out there that's listening from Miami or Florida, tell your peoples to tell their peoples to tell their peoples they need to be there on June
Yeah,
27th.
they need to be out there. They definitely need to be
You know
out
what I
there.
mean? For
Real talk. Real
And-
talk,
and
you know?
Besides the 27th, what else you got coming up?
SOBs in July, but I don't know the date. I find out on the
Right.
31st of this month.
That's a
Hey,
good
man.
look.
Yo, so you
SOBs,
said you
man.
went in an audition for it though. So
Yeah.
you went and did. What song
was
you
it like?
did? What song you did?
Gotta be famous.
Yeah, gotta beat you. Yeah.
I told you, man. I told you about that one.
So everybody like feeling that joint. I'm like,
That
shit, like,
shit
what
give
video for
you
that
goosebumps,
one?
man.
So,
That's what I'm
That
saying.
shit give you
Sometimes you're gonna
goosebumps.
have to do, you might have to pull just a quick one. You might have to do a quick video for that or something, like a snippet or something, man.
for
You
some,
already
for
know.
some with the gotta be famous and shit like that, I want to take my time. I don't want to rush that like I rush all the other videos.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Not saying that the other videos ain't good, but with that, it's like I broke everything down like 3 verses.
Yeah.
Nigga being Paul.